Start unboxing this 3D printer. Make sure we keep those somewhere handy. Okay, so I'm starting to look at that, and actually they do a really good job of your unpacking instructions, even if I would have pulled them out quick enough before I started getting it partially unpacked. But anyway, first few steps are kind of self-explanatory. Well, I forgot two important parts of this video. Gotta forget here, remember the drink, and this we used to cut these zip ties, so I don't have to pry my knife in there. Hot power. Okay, well, that's something I don't like about this, and I can tell you now, is this is considered the unbox stage. It's definitely not the unbox stage. Now, they do have the rest of the directions, but it's not really fully set up yet. So, I guess it kind of is unboxed, but not really. So, we'll see. So, we'll just keep going along. Should be able to see a little better what I'm doing, other than just playing on the inside. That's all to put this little duct on. These screws are pretty small, so I don't really tighten them too hard, but want to keep them good enough that they don't go anywhere. And with this one, just set some standard PLA with it, which is perfectly fine. The thing you want to make sure is the orientation of these, so that you get them orientated correctly. Doing these. Should just snap on. Couldn't see where everything was a minute ago, so I just went ahead and pull this out from the wall a little bit so I can see. That way you guys can see. Same thing. Second spool, just different color of the PLA filament. This one does not require support material. It does a variety of things like ABS, which you'll see when we do a cooperative video with Jordan here pretty soon. Probably gonna be one of the first real prints we print on this thing. Unless I hijack it and do something for myself, we'll see. See if Jordan watches this video and says something. Because he's already sent me the file, so we'll see. Okay, so this just seems pretty straightforward, so hopefully it is as much as it looks. So I just take this, push that in there. Just be able to, that's good. Same with the other side. Just push the filament down in there. There we go. Okay, now to pump this SSD in there. Click. Top on. Now we're good.